I was hoping that you'd appreciate the opportunity to spend some time with your mother. Little one, could you at least pretend to be happy to see me? I've traveled all the way here on the Greyhound.
Mother, we're among locals. Do you think you could at least not speak with your mouth full?
Oh, you mean talk with my mouth full? Millie, please. All right. You want me to say it out loud? Fine. Have you considered that if you would have stayed in Rutherford, New Jersey, you might have been a happier person and pregnant for the third time?
Mother, could we not just guess what might have been? Because I am so happy with my work here.
Of course you are. But with you, it's all work and no play. You gotta learn to relax. Enjoy life, like I do. Find yourself a good man. Think about your future. Better yet, think about my future.